Good morning, 9th Standard English Medium, Chiti Sheikh Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome in video lecture series. Today we learn lesson number 5 in Sanskrit, Subhashit Vaibhavam. In last video lecture we discussed 1, 2, 3, 4 muktaks in front of you. Okay guys, today we are knowing about the other muktaks like muktak number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay guys, so I hope so you can enjoy Subhashita Vaibhava. It is very important lesson. Three type of the criteria are very much important about this lesson. Translation, complete the following verses as well as expand the idea. Okay guys, so this all 1 to 8 muktaks are very much important part in our Sanskrit textbook. Why? Because very few lesson for the poem section, and it is very important about in poem section lesson number 5. Okay guys, so now today I discuss 5th, 6th, 7th and 8 muktaks. Okay, 5th one, Daridraya dhanam deyam gnanam deyam jadaya cha pipasitaya paniyam kshuditaya cha bhojanam. First of all, this 5th muktak is very much important as it complete the following verses. So you can learn by heart this number 5. Daridraya dhanam deyam means you must be, the poor should be given a money, and gnanam deya jhadaya, you should be give a knowledge about the very unknown, very ignorant person, and pipasitaya paniyam, and you should be give the water to thirsty person, kshuditaya cha bhojanam, and you should be give the meal to the hungry person. So it is very easy for you. Just this shlok, this muktak is asking at the complete the following verses. Okay, now 6th one, lobhat krodha prabhavati lobhat kam prajayate lobhan mohascha nashascha lobhasya papa karanam. The anger produce the anger from the greediness. Anger produced from the greediness. Lobh means greediness. It is very very bad things in our life. Greediness is. So some person is very greedy. This muktak is described like that. Greediness is very harmful for our life. So krodh, anger is produced from the greediness. Desire produced from this the greediness, and temptation also produced from the greediness, and these all things are destroyed, and this is the papasya karanam, reason about the all kind of sins is greediness. So we just avoid greediness from our vyaktitva, means our characteristic. So guys, this is the Subhashit explained the harmfulness about the greediness. Okay, now 7th shlok, Takshakasya visham dante makshikayasya mastake vrishchikasya visham pruche sarvange durjanasyat. Means this is very practical, all kind of the examples in this muktaks. So that's why it is very interesting for us. Takshakasya visam dante means the poison in the snake, the poison at the teeth. Mashchikayascha mastake, in the fly, there is the poison in fly's head. Vrishchikasya visham prucham means the poison in the scorpio at the tail. But sarvange durjanasyat, but at wicked person whole body is full of poison. So we must be protect ourselves from the wicked person. Why? Because all trees are very much clear for its own poison, but wicked person sarvange means in whole body there is the poisonic things. So now we must be protect ourselves to this type of wicked person. And the 8th muktak is like that. Utsave vyasani chaiva durbikshe shatru viplave rajadware smashani cha yes tisthati sabandhava. Who is the right friend, or who is the bandhava, means who is the right brother. So now this is explained, the good and ideal brother is like that. Utsave means in the stand in the they is a stand with us at the festival, and as well as in the calamity, as well as in the Durbikshe Satru Viplave means there is a war with the enemy, and in royal courtyard, and Rajadwara means in the royal courtyard, and Smashane means the crematorium. So this is the right brotherhood means this is the right, and this when we find out that this type of the qualities in some person, in such a friend, in a good friend, it's called like our brother, it's called like our right brother, right family member. So 8 muktak, it is very easy for you. So now 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, all kind of muktaks are very easy. I explain on front of you. You must be listen very carefully, understanding very carefully, and then after I give the translation pic in WhatsApp group, and then after you must be write down the all kind of shloks in your Sanskrit and translation, as well as Sanskrit and translation. This is the practice work. This is not your homework. Okay, now guys, today I also discuss about lesson number 5th exercise. So there is the MCQs are, so it is very easy for you. So I give really exercise of exercise lesson question number 1. So you can do yourself, and then after page number 20. There is the question number 2. Ek vakyena Sanskrit bhashayam uttarata. It is very easy now. After 1 to 4 lesson, you must be knowing about the Sanskrit question answer very nicely. Jadaya kim deyam, gnanam deyam, lobhat kim prabhavati, lobhat krodhat prabhavati, vrishchikasya visham kutra bhavati, vrishchikasya visham at its tail means at the Pruch, it's a Sanskrit word. So now it's very easy for you, and as well as question number 4, Matrubhashayam Uttara means answer in English. So all these 3 questions are here, and 3 answer is very easy for you from the textbook, from the lesson number 5. And then after shlok, then after question number 6, Shlokanam Purti Karaniya means complete the following verses. You must be read this 2 shloks. You must be remember this 2 shlok very nicely. Chalam Chittam in Daridrayadanam means 2nd muktak and 5th muktak. So guys, this lesson number 5, Subhashita Vaibhava, it's very easy, and you can do yourself very nicely. And then after so okay, now I announced my homework about lesson number 5 Sanskrit. You must be write down the question answer in your notebook, and then after send me pic at the Monday. Okay guys, so now next video lecture we will start lesson number 6, Sarvam Charutaram Vasante. Spring seasons explained in this particular poem section. So next video lecture we will talk about more detail of lesson number 6. So guys, I finished the lesson number 5. You can prepare very nicely. Take care yourself at your home. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.